Good afternoon, Los Angeles. The hot, dry gusts, a real hazard. The hot, dry gust. The hot gust.
What is going on here?
Okay. Those were not tears. It was like this intense acid reflux, like I ate something super bad.
You need to take some time off. You need a rest.
Hey, it's me. Just wanted to let you know that the big old tree is gone. That is it. Carlos, the last vestiges of us have now been swept away. It is a vicious circle. Hello. Do you paint?
Sí, yo paint $20 an hour.
There it is.
Es más que un día.
It's more than one day?
It's more one day.
Más que one day. Got it. Yep. It looks great. I love it. Pero más tarde.
Más tarde.
Yeah?
Está malo.
I guess it doesn't actually taste good. I'm gonna drink it anyway because it costs $15.
No, está malo.
If anything, I'm crazy. Loco.
Un poco, sí.
I'm not really crazy. But I'll confess, I am going through a rough patch. My ex has been gone for 6 months now, and I have to admit, I'm not good at being alone. I never have been. Feels good to talk. For the longest time, Ernesto, my subconscious had decided to thwart my own happiness.
No te entiendo lo que estás diciendo.
No, just let me finish. We're encoded at such a young age. Hey, it's me. Just wanted to let you know. You don't have to worry about me. I met someone, and I'm doing great. It's terrific. You have 5 kids?
Yes.
And a wife?
Sí, yo una esposa también.
Oh, you're lucky. I'm ready to get back to work.
Right now?
I'm a doer. You know this.
Go home and rest.
I can't. You seen this guy? Anyone ever tell you that you were a very good listener, Ernesto? Es más que un día.
Sí, more one day.
So, mañana?
Claro que sí.
Here we go. Cute couple.
Oh.